How important is math in our lives? To find the answer, we interviewed three of our friends who shared their insights on how math shapes their thinking and decision making.
I am King Jan Moico. I am 22 years old and a college graduate from Camarines Norte State College under Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management.
How important is having enough knowledge about mathematics in terms of minimizing your daily expenses?
In our world, yung mathematics talaga is gamit na gamit. And in terms of daily expenses, as a financial management student and as an individual, it can help us to manage our money. And for example, kapag magsha-shopping tayo sa SM, malalaman natin yung mga discounted na mga prices ng mga isang bagay, kung ito ba ay worth it na gastusan or ito ba ay makakatulong sa atin or dito ba ay makakatipid tayo. And mathematics is like a weapon na kailangan nating gamitin sa pang-araw-araw na buhay.
How can mathematics help you plan and organize your time more effectively?
I think it enables me to allocate my time more efficiently. For example, kapag nagre-review ako for an exam or for quizzes, I use Pomodoro technique, which is, it can relate to mathematics din. For example, is mag-aaral ako ng 30 minutes and then 5 minutes pahinga and then 5 minutes kain and then 10 minutes ulit na pag-aaral. And by doing this, it can help me to review well and mas may pumasok pa sa akin sa mga nire-review ko. And hindi lang doon sa pag-review ko ang mathematics na nakakatulong, kundi din sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. As a financial management, tinuruan kami na mag-manage ng pera. And then, sa pag-manage ng pera, and then, hindi lang sa pag-manage ng pera, kundi sa pag-manage din ng time, na kung ano ba yung dapat nating unahin, kung ano yung urgency niya and importance ng isang bagay.
How mathematics is applied in your chosen field?
Mathematics that we used in that course. And marami sa aming naituro about sa financial markets and analysis and statistics. For example, yung naalala ko nun is tinuro sa amin ang supply and demand. Gamit na gamit siya ngayong panahon ito. Hindi nawawala yung supply and demand. Na kapag tumaas yung supply, bababa yung demand. And kapag tumaas naman yung demand, bababa ang supply. Ang vice versa lang.
My name is Gwinnett M. Pusa, and I'm currently studying at Camarines Norte State College with a degree program of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
So, how can mathematics help you plan and organize your time more effectively?
Mathematics helps me plan my time by calculating how much to spend on each task. As a student, I can use math to divide my study time for each courses or exam. And also, I can make schedules by understanding how much time to spend for different activities, which helps me balance my schools and other responsibilities.
How mathematics is applied in your chosen field?
Math is crucial for analyzing transactions because without it, I wouldn't be able to identify the right amounts to be recorded, calculated, and checked for accuracy. It also helps me ensure correct debits and credits when journalizing and transfers accurately the amounts to the ledger during posting. Also helps me calculate the totals for assets, liabilities, equity when doing balance sheet, and many more.
How do you see a world without mathematics?
A world without math would be disorganized. We wouldn't be able to measure things, count money, and make schedules. Financial matters, businesses, schools, and many other parts of our life would be harder to manage. And it would be difficult to make decisions without the structures math gives to us.
I am Steven Ardala Santos and I am 18 years old and I'm currently taking Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Philippines.
So for you, as a student, hypothesis testing is in research?
I think hypothesis testing for me in research is very important because dito kasi natin natitest if yung study ba natin ay effective. For instance, nung grade 12, nagamit namin ang hypothesis testing para matest kung yung device ba namin is effective or not. So far, effective naman kasi natulungan kami ng hypothesis testing.
So, how can you relate inductive and deductive reasoning when it comes to solving problems in every situation?
For me, it enhances my problem-solving skills in terms of using deductive and deductive reasoning because alam ko kasi sa inductive and deductive reasoning is specific to general and general to specific. So, natutulungan ako ma-enhance ang aking problem-solving skill in terms of when dealing with my problems. Kasi kapag may problema ako, kapag gagamitan ko ito ng inductive and deductive reasoning, parang napapalawak pa ito yung kaalaman ko kung paano ko masasolve yung